Welcome back. I'm glad you joined me. I'm Mark, and today I'll be drawing Thor in the Chibi format. So he's going to be a cute little character here. Now grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, and let's get started. We're going to create a shape that's round like that, but we're not going to complete the whole eye because we're going to create this eyebrow in the middle of the eye here. So we're going to come over and we're going to cut across, and then we're going to have that like a point over there. Then in the middle of the eye we'll do a bigger shape like this, circular shape, and then we'll put this highlight, and if you want you could put a secondary one there. Then what we'll do is we'll go over to the left and we'll do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to draw a circular shape like this. Then we'll draw an eyebrow and we'll connect those with a point, and then we'll draw a smaller circle inside, and then these highlights are going to be on the same side over here on the left. So we're going to draw one and then a smaller one next to it, just like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm going to draw a curve here, and then I'm going to draw this curve down like that. And then over here we're going to come over to the left and to the right like that. And then now before we keep continuing, we're going to finish drawing the head, the upper body of the head here. So right above the eye and starting in the middle, we'll create this line in between the eyebrows. And then we're going to come over to the left and we're going to come down. I'm going to do the same on this side. We're going to come over and down. Okay, so it's going to be his helmet here. Now I'm going to draw the shield pieces on either side. So on this side here, we're going to come close to his eye and we're going to draw this curve like this. And we can draw this one on this side like that. Then we can draw a line that comes out and up like this. And on this side we're going to draw a line that comes out like this, a little bit wider, comes up, and then flares like that. The reason I'm doing this is because I want these to try to end almost in the same level. This will have a flat shape to it over there, and then we're going to come down from here and we're going to stop right about this position here, and then at this point here we'll come over to the left, and then this will taper up and kind of connect. And then on this side, this will come over, it'll come up a little bit, and then we're going to splay outward like this. And then on this side, this will come down and meet up like that. And then we'll put 3 or 4, we'll put probably 3 lines like that. And then if you go and draw an imaginary line from the center here, right about there, okay, almost in line there, this will be the top of the helmet. So we're going to come down like this, and then we're going to taper down. And we'll do the same on this side. We're going to come over like this and taper down. Then what we can do is we can start right about here, and then we're going to point this somewhere about here, just above the centers of those peaks there. So we're going to come like this and we're going to point. I'm going to do the same on this side, and then this will come down like that. And if you missed over here, it's okay, you can just come down. This can come down, and then we'll point this as well like that. Then we'll draw 2 lines on either side of the helmet right there. And then these shapes can kind of curve to the left and curve to the right. Okay, so we got the helmet in place. Now we're going to finish the lower part of his face. So we're going to come above the shield, and then we're going to come down, and we're going to point, have like a peak here for his chin. So we're going to come down, it's going to kind of point a little bit and pop back up. And then these shapes here, we can just have these kind of continue down like that. And then for the mouth, we will draw a curve under the nose that curves like this. Kind of looks like a smiley face. But we're going to extend this corner down at an angle and this one down at an angle. And then what we're going to do is we want to join up, but we don't want to come too close. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to curve this down and I'm going to curve this down here. So I want to make sure I don't come too close to touch there. Now he's going to have some teeth, so we're going to kind of create this shape like this. And this is going to come across like that and be his teeth. And then under his bottom lip we'll have a little curve like that.
I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them.
Now I'm going to come down for his body. Now his body's going to be kind of like, his head's bigger and his body's going to be a little smaller. So from the head we'll draw two curves like this for the neck. We'll join these with the soft curve like that. And then right over here we can draw this little round shape for his cape that kind of curls over. And the cape kind of comes flat like this and down, and then this will come up and kind of like point like this. And then we'll have these two lines that go off of there. Then on this side we'll create a shape like this and a little bubble, so that'll be the other side. Then we'll create the chest. So we're going to come over here, we're going to bend this just a little bit, and then we're going to bend it again with a smaller, shorter curve. And then this will be his waist. So we're going to come across and we'll just stop right about here. Then what we can do is we'll create this arm on the right. So I'm going to go from this corner, I'm going to leave a little bit of space over here, and then I'm going to create this arm, and this arm's going to stop like halfway in between here, somewhere about here. So I'm going to come like that and stop, and then he's going to have like this little armor piece on his wrist like this. So we'll just draw this in place like that. And then over here, this will extend and bump for his elbow. And then this will come over and connect like that. And then down here we can create his fist. So this will hook to the left, it'll come down, and then he'll have his knuckles kind of clenched. And then this one will come out and bend like that. And I'll just create a line here. And then right from here, this corner, we can have a subtle curve that goes right into his wrist, into his hand. And then his belt will just keep coming across. We'll create this round shape right over here for his belt. And this will just come right across, right into the fingers. Now let's go back up into his armor over here. So he has 4 circular shapes. So right here in the center, I'm going to create this little line like that. And then I'm going to create one circle here, and then another one below. And then way over here, I'm going to create one circle here, and then another one below. Okay, the next thing I'll do is I'll draw this hand and arm on this side. So extending from here, we're going to come and draw his bicep there. And this one will there. We'll draw a curve to connect those. And then we'll bend this a little bit like that. And then this will be his armor piece, same like that on this side. We'll connect those. And then we'll create his hand. So we're gonna come up, and he's gonna be holding the hammer. So we're gonna come up a little bit, and then we're gonna create this little thumb that comes like that. Okay, and then his palm's gonna be right there, and then the lower part of his hand is gonna curve like this. Now, before we finish everything, let's put the handle in place. So the handle is gonna be at this angle like this, okay? So we're gonna come up, and we'll just extend this down like that, and then you'll leave a little bit of space where his thumb is and come right about here. Now I'm not going to draw all the way because his fingers are going to be showing here, so let's draw those fingers in place. So I'm going to draw this one little finger that's bumped like that. There's going to be another one right here. I'm going to have another one, and the last one like that. This one's going to round there to his other section of his hand there. And then we'll keep this coming down a little bit longer, and then we can kind of like round this down here. And then I'll have these lines that kind of curve at an angle. All right, now we can draw the hammer head part here. So what I'm going to do here is if we extend this just a little bit more, I'm going to curve this just like this. And then just below this curve, we're going to draw the line in this direction. So it's going to be like perpendicular to this angle here. So we're going to come over from here. I'm going to go like right into the helmet. And then this will come down in this direction. And then we're going to come up. I'm going to do almost like a line from here. We're going to come over and down at an angle slightly. It's going to taper a little bit. Then this one will come at a slight angle. And then the same angle that the hammer handle is, we'll draw a line right here. Like that. So from this point and this point, we'll draw another line. And then right over here, we'll draw these two other lines. We'll draw a parallel line to this over here. Connect that. We'll connect this like this. And then on this side, we're going to draw a line up. Now over here, we can start going up in this direction. This will taper that way, and you'll have the top of the hammer over there, and then this will continue back, and you can draw like another line right there, and then this will come down, and we'll kind of like meet up over there, just like that. All right, so we've got the hammer in place. Now let's go and put some hair in. So I'm going to draw a curve here. We'll draw these pieces of hair that kind of come down like this. And then we'll draw a few more pieces like this. Another one that comes out in this direction. And then maybe one that just tapers like that. All right, so we have his hair, and now let's finish off with the lower part of the body. So I'm going to take this line, I'm going to taper it down to the right a little bit, and then I'm going to bend this like that. And then right where his fist is, we're going to draw a curve towards the right, and it comes down at an angle like this. Now, right about here, we're going to draw a line that comes to where his center is, right about here, somewhere about there. So we're going to come from here, it's going to kind of bend a little bit, and then like that. And then what we can do is curve this like that. And then we'll add another curve, and this will be his shoe right here. Just a simple shape like that. And then as you come down right here, this will come down and will come down to the right a little bit. And from the center here, we'll come over, and this will bend in and hook to the right a little bit. And then we'll have his other foot that's in this direction. This will come down for the heel, and we'll have the toe shape like that. And we'll round this all the way and meet up like that. And there you go, I just finished drawing Thor. So if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description below, click the link, and you can download the free coloring page. I'm gonna go ahead and color this in. Wait till the end, it looks pretty cool, and you can follow along too. Enjoy. Go down in the comments below and submit your requests. I'll try to get to your drawings as quickly as I can. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed drawing and coloring in Thor with me today. If you did, please like the video, and why not subscribe to the channel as well. If you click the notification bell, you'll even get notifications whenever I do new videos, which is every weekday. So until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.